Imagine you are exploring a charming village in Ireland, soaking in the atmosphere, and suddenly realize you are not quite sure which way to go. You want to ask for help, but wouldn't it be wonderful to do it with a touch of local language? It adds a special warmth to any interaction, creating memorable moments with the people you meet. Learning a few basic Irish phrases to ask for directions can truly enrich your travel experience and connect you with locals. The most essential phrase you will want to know is cub fuel, which means where is. You would pronounce that as Cawil. Using even a small amount of the Irish language, also known as Gaeilge, shows respect for the local culture and heritage. While almost everyone in Ireland speaks excellent English, making an effort to use a few native words is always appreciated. It often sparks friendly conversations and helps you feel more deeply immersed in the destination. To use cub fuel, simply add the name of the place you are looking for. For example, if you are seeking the train station, you could say cub fuel in Station Trinach, which means where is the train station? You pronounce that as Cawil an Stáisiún Tronach. If you need a toilet, you might ask cub fuel in Leithrias, which is pronounced Cawil an Leithrias. To ask for directions, you can also use Cunas a Rachin Chuig, meaning how do I get to? Pronounced Cunas a Rachin Hwig. You can combine these with simple directional terms like ar clay, meaning on the left, pronounced air clay, and ar dihis, meaning on the right, pronounced air yes. For going straight ahead, you would say Dirach ar aghaid, pronounced Girach air. A fantastic phrase to know when asking for any kind of help is Gabhaim pardon, meaning excuse me, pronounced Gawim pardon. And always remember to say go rav ma'agat or ga ro ma'agat for thank you afterwards. Irish people are known for their hospitality, and these little linguistic efforts will be genuinely welcomed, often leading to very helpful and detailed responses. By incorporating these friendly Irish phrases into your vocabulary, you will not only navigate Ireland with more confidence but also unlock deeper cultural connections. It allows you to move beyond being just a tourist and truly engage with the warmth and generosity of the Irish people, making your journey unforgettable.